Hey everybody, thanks so much for joining us here on 9 News Watch. I'm meteorologist Chris Bianchi with a detailed look at your Colorado weather forecast, which today and really the rest of the week is going to be a lot calmer than what we dealt with yesterday with some of that rain and snow across the metro area. Now a lot calmer for us as we take a look ahead for your day today here in Denver. A lot more sun than clouds, but this afternoon we could get an isolated rain or snow shower. Not a big deal, not expecting much in the way of accumulation here in Denver, but maybe in the mountains we could get a little bit more snow on top of what we picked up overnight. Now again, today the story for us here in Denver is going to be more the cold and the wind. Yes, there's a chance for an isolated flurry or a rain shower. I don't think that's the story. The story will be what you're noticing right now, which is the cold and the wind. A winter-like day here in the first, we're now into the second week of spring. Now tomorrow, much nicer day, beautiful for us, lots of sunshine, and then more rain, more snow returns for your Friday. Now I mentioned how in Denver it looks like we're going to be mainly on the clear side. Into the mountains, we're still seeing some leftover snow showers, and then also for the southern part of the state, for the wet mountains as well as on west into the Sangre de Cristos. That's where the heaviest of the snow is statewide right now. That's because of our departing storm system still leading to some isolated snow showers into the mountains. And again, some of those heavy at times you get south of, say, you get from Salida on south, you're seeing some of that snow a little bit on the heavier side. Now, last 24 hours, Monarch Mountain, the Winter at 10 inches of snow, Winter Park 7 inches. A lot of resorts picking about 4 to 6 inches of snow overnight. So pretty decent little storm, not a big storm, not exactly a powder day in the mountains, but you know what? We will take it. Now today, it's going to be on the chilly side, as mentioned here in Denver. Highs topping out in the upper 40s. It'll feel colder than that with a pretty persistent wind. Mountains still dealing with some of that snowfall, and the eastern plains topping out in just the 40s and the 50s, 30s, and 40s as you head on up into the mountains. Again, winds will be a story and part of the weather factor for your day today, with some gusts perhaps approaching 40 to 50 miles an hour this afternoon. After dark tonight, though, those winds do back on off, or at least start to back off, with those winds dying down somewhere between about 5 and 8 tonight, with, again, maybe those 30, 40 mile an hour gusts going down to 20 to 30 miles an hour, and then overnight we should see those winds turn light by the time you wake up tomorrow morning. Now, here's a look at that snow, where we could see, again, a few stray snow showers continuing for us in the mountains as we head over the course of the next few hours. Here in Denver, there is that chance, and I'll show you that in more detail in just a second, but we have that chance for a rain or snow shower here in Denver. Better chance as you head on up into the mountains, especially from the Eisenhower Tunnel on west, and then our next system approaches as we get into your Thursday with the potential for some more rain snow for your Thursday night, but especially for your Friday morning. Now, closer look in here at Denver, where again we have that chance for a stray rain or snow shower this afternoon. That will clear on out by tomorrow. And tomorrow, by the way, here in Denver, a beautiful day for us with temperatures topping out in the low to mid 60s. Winds on the light side 5 to 15 miles an hour, and it will start to warm on up, so considerably warmer than your day today, with temperatures about 15 degrees warmer than today, and also less wind, so it'll feel warmer as well. Highs around the metro area, again, 63 Denver, 62 Brighton, 61 Broomfield, 57 Castle Rock. So pretty nice day all in all. That does come to a bit of a change on your Friday. Two things come into play for your Friday: mountain snowfall with our next very weak system, a fast moving system as well for your Thursday night and your Friday. And we'll see some of that snow into the mountains here in Denver. A chance for a stray rain or snow shower on your Friday morning, but that does not look like a particularly big deal at this point. And then we also get a cold front that swings through on your Friday that'll drop temperatures for your Friday itself, and then the weekend will warm back up. So a little bit of everything as we head over the next few days. Break it down for you today, a bit on the cold and windy side. Tomorrow, beautiful day, highs in the low to mid 60s. Then that rain snow mix for us Friday morning, a light one, not a big deal. Then this weekend, we warm back up before some more rain looks to return early next week. At this point, doesn't look like we're going to be looking at a ton of rainfall here in Denver, but we should get some, and that'll add to some of that needed precipitation that we continue to get in around the metro area, which is certainly some good news in light of the NCAR fire back on Saturday and just the overall drought that we've been dealing with across eastern Colorado. Meteorologist Keely Chalmers has an update coming up at 9 News at noon, and Chief Meteorologist Kathy Sabin is in at 4, 5, 6, 9, and 10 on the 9 News family of networks. In the meantime, I'm Meteorologist Chris Bianchi, and have a great rest of your day.